Hey guys, it's Benny here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to see how I install this frontal, please keep watching.
Fucking with a demon, baby girl, what you tryna do? She like me and I'm with whatever. Any shots of a do say better. Got what you need, that's gon' get you wet up. Baby wanna teach.
So let's get straight into it. So the first and most important thing you want to make sure you got down is your stocking cap. Now this is very important, ladies, if you want to protect your edges, and also if you have a big forehead, you may want to make it smaller sometimes. So this also helps you to give you like a little outline of where you want your frontal to lay. And let me also put it out there, it's really good for people with low hairlines, especially if you're trying to protect your edges. So once I've cut the frontal, outlined it, I'm going to move on to finding the perfect foundation to match her skin tone. I like to start off with something close, and if I have to go darker, I'll go dark.
Pussy is a lead.
Then I like to go over it with the free spray to give it a more transparent look. And then once that's done, I blow dry it on cool just to set it and make sure that it's not wet and completely dry. And then you want to go over it with alcohol, probably 90% is good, to make sure you remove any extra residue from the free spray and the foundation. After that, make sure, this is very important, a lot of people could be allergic to the certain, so yeah, you don't know who could be allergic to the type of glue you use. Every glue has, I guess, their own formula, but I find it very important to use the Skin Protect. So once you put on the wig, you want to make sure that you're placing the frontal on her forehead where you want it to lay. This helps you size it, get a better picture of where the frontal is going to be. You want to make sure your client holds both sides down really tight to make sure you have a flat outline of how the frontal is going to look.
Girl, what you tryna do? She like me and I'm with whatever.
So now you want to go ahead and outline the ears, cut around it, and then place the frontal back how you want it.
Baby girl can't leave me, cause you fucking with a demon. Baby girl, what you tryna do? She like me and I'm with whatever. Any shots of a do say better. Got what you
Once that's done, now we're gonna take the wig off, put our band, and place the wig back on her head.
You better watch who you talking to. Many V, I'm untouchable. Niggas wanna be me too.
Now I'm gonna go back in with the hot comb. This is going to help keep the hair away for when we have to cut it or glue it down.
Wanna be me too. Bitches wanna see me too.
So now we're gonna go ahead to cutting out the lace. So you want to go as close to the hairline as possible. I like to use like the zigzag method. I don't do mine straight because I feel like that, the HD lace is perfect for blending skin, but the zigzag method also helps you to blend the lace for like any type of lace you use as well. Well, if it's really good lace.
Demon time will never end, baby girl, this will last. I promise this will last, baby girl, this will.
So you want to go ahead and use the same foundation you use for the stocking cap method. And what I love about the HD lace is that a little foundation goes a long way. So you want to do gentle applications with it, and yeah. Now we're going to go to outlining out the frontal. This helps with the placement of the glue and the placement of the frontal once the glue dries.
Cause you fucking with a demon. I'm with whatever. I'm with whatever. I'm with whatever. Baby wanna tease me, freak me, but you don't leave me. Baby girl can't leave me. Cause you fucking with a demon.
So with the glue, I like to do sections. Sometimes I'll split the head in the middle, if that sounds crazy. Or I'll do the forehead, then each the left and the right side of the person's hairline. But right here I'm doing the middle. You want to make sure you're smoothing it out flat as possible. And then once that's done, you want to go down to the other side, and you want to move quickly because Depending on the temperature around you, if you see that the glue is drying quick, that means that you need to move quicker. So I don't know about other people, but I like to only do 2 applications of glue because I feel like the lace is so thin already that if you put too much glue, it starts to, well, when it gets old, it looks chunky and thick or whatever. That's my preference. But if you want to use 3 for security, you can always do that, ladies. So now we're about to lay that lace down. And if you took my advice and marked up where the lace was going to be before you glued it, then this is going to make it very easy for you to place the lace at the exact spot where the glue is. And I like to go a little bit behind the glue just so that I know that the ends are, we call it secured, sealed, whatever. But yeah, and you want to take your time when you're placing the glue down. Be gentle, do light presses, like act accordingly to your situation, because you know everyone's lace is different and whatever. So now we're going to lock down that lace, and I mean seal it. So you want to use, I like to use a metal end comb to press the ends of the lace. Use the comb end to press the end of the lace. I like to use the tips, and you're just pushing down, making sure that everything is laid, secured, flat, down, popping. So I don't know about some ladies, but it is very important to me as a stylist that after this process, you want to make sure that the glue is stuck in place. And what I like to do is go over it with warm heat and then end it off with some cool breeze. So that's what you would like to do before you put on the band. I don't know if some of you just glue and then put on the band, but this is what I do. Now hold on, before you place that band down, you want to clean it with bolt hold remover. Just spray a little on a napkin, and I like to wipe around the edges to get rid of any excess glue, and then I put the band on. Secure the bag. Yes, ladies. I guarantee you if you do this, you will have seamless results, and it will just make the frontal look really good. So once that's done, if I feel like any areas, usually the sideburns are a little light, I like to go back in with the brush, the makeup brush, and just touch up to make sure that blends really well. After that, to lock in that foundation, I like to go over with the freeze spray and then make sure that it's sealed. And look, I feel like the freeze spray really helps it give it that more natural look. Once that's done, you could either blow dry it and then apply your mousse to make sure that all the hairs is back for you to put on the band. You know what I'm saying? Right here, I'm dragging it. I need to swallow a little bit because I was talking too long. But yeah. So this is the outcome once I take off the band, and look, it looks gorgeous. Look at my beautiful big sister. She looks popping. She's being mad annoying because she likes to do her own parts, and then I end up having to fix it, but that's okay. Once you've done that part, you are going to want to move on to the hot comb to, okay, I'm dragging it. So yeah, now I'm only going to use the hot comb after I spray it with some mist on the middle part because I want to keep the curls full on top.
She with whatever. Yeah, she with whatever. 16 in this.
So after we done plucking the middle part, it's a baby hair time. Everybody's favorite. Nobody knows how to maintain it. It takes a level of skill and determination to really, and patience to really set your baby hairs right all the time. Even I don't get it right all the time.
Baby wanna tease me, please me, freak me, geek me. Now she wanna eat me. Baby girl can't leave me. Cause you fucking with a better watch who you talking to. Many V, I'm untouchable. Niggas wanna be me too. Bitches wanna see me too. I cannot help it, it's who I am. Many got bitches in Amsterdam. Many got bitches in Birmingham. All of my bitches are super fans. Hey, hey. She love it when the voice get deep. Baby's a freak in the sheets. Pussy is a lead. Hey, hey. Wow, make me say wow in that pussy. I'ma go deep in it, yeah. I'ma go deep in it. When I get on demon time, you and I gonna have a blast.
Shishing me. I'm not even gonna say the bad word. It's shishing me because you see how them baby ashes look. I said baby hairs looking on point. Okay, on point. Now we're gonna move to the other side to get hopefully a better view. But I'm little I don't even know what to call it. Little insight on me. I love collecting, what's it called, edge brushes. Like, I've got multiple different type of edge brushes because I feel like, I don't know, you need your right wing. Is it wing or wand? I'm bugging. Your right wand to make you do your best. And I feel like I really like this one that I'm using. So I'm gonna stop talking now. We're gonna watch the rest of the video. If you want more details on how I achieve my frontal looks, please make sure to book my upcoming classes that I'll be posting soon. Woo! My one-on-one classes. I'm excited because, yeah, it's my first time. Oh yes, I want to also state for anyone who might ask, this is my hair that I use. That I sell is my DEEPWAVE. I believe the inches are 26, 24, 22 with a 20-inch frontal, HD frontal. So make sure if you're booking with me, you're asking for these inches, these luxurious bundles. Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna shut up now.
Watch who you talking to. Benni V, I'm untouchable. Niggas wanna be me too. Bitches wanna see me too. I cannot help it, it's who I am. Many got bitches in Amsterdam. Many got bitches in Birmingham. All of my bitches are super fans. Hey. She love it when the voice get deep. Baby's a freak in the sheets. Pussy is a lead. Hey. Wow. Make me say wow in that pussy. I'ma go deep in it, yeah. I'ma go deep in it. When I get on demon time, you and I gonna have a blast. We're gonna have so much fun, make you regret all your past. Demon time will never end, baby girl, this will last. I promise this will last, baby girl, this will last.
Trying to do shit like me and E.Chan with whatever. Any shots to the do say better. Got what you need, that's gon' get you wetter, love. Baby wanna tease me, please me, freak me, get me, know she wanna eat me. Baby girl can't leave me, cause you fucking with a demon. Baby girl, what you tryna do? Shit like me and E.Chan with whatever. Any shots to the do say better. Got what you need, that's gon' get you wetter. Baby wanna tease me, please me, freak me, get me, know she wanna eat me. Baby girl can't leave me, cause you fucking with a demon.
I'm with whatever. I'm with whatever. I'm with whatever. Baby wanna tease me, please me, freak me, get me. But you don't eat me. Baby girl can't leave me. Cause you fucking with a demon.
What? Look at that turn. Look back at it. Like, this is already giving me goosebumps. It's a vibe. You can never go wrong with deep, curly, wavy hair. Like,
16 in this. Baby girl, what you tryna do? She like me and E.Chan with whatever. Any shots to the do say better. Got what you need, that's gon' get you wetter, love. Baby wanna tease me, please me, freak me, get me, now she wanna eat me. Baby girl can't leave me, cause you fucking with a demon. Baby girl, what you tryna do? She like me and E.Chan with whatever. Any shots.
this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment if you have any advice you want to give me on my videoing skills, what you want to see me do, what type of videos you want me to put out. And yeah, thank you guys. Love you so much. Bye. Bye.
All of my bitches is super